What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing multiplayer with my friend. So let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna quick travel to you. How'd you get all the way over there? Is that where you spawned at?
Yeah.
Oh. Just so you know, my car's really loud. I'm gonna actually change it. I do not like it. It's a little four-cylinder in this little Jeep. Oh my gosh! What the hell? What the heck? Dude! He came out of nowhere. How does that still drive?
I don't know what just happened.
Dude, look at my car.
Look at mine.
Yeah, there's a big dent in your car. I think it's just a scratch. It's just... Really? I'm gonna spawn this truck.
Now I'm scraping.
Okay. Oh, man. Hold on. What did you break on your truck? Oh. Oh my god, these diesels are so loud. I'm gonna go in first person. Oh, boom. I smashed the side of your truck. Wait, do you want to go to the derby area? Here,
And try to knock each other off.
no, we don't, we're not gonna go on that. We're gonna go over here. Here, teleport to me.
Yeah.
And then, here, I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can drive over. Oh, and also, guys, if you want to know how, oh, yeah, okay. If you guys want to know how you know grab, you hit control, and then you use your mouse, and then grab one of the nodes, and then use, oh, how did I do that? Whoops. Okay. Alright, can you teleport to me? Or
Coming.
are you flying? There's not an entrance to this. You might have to node.
Wait.
Oh wait, there is. There is an
Oh,
entrance. You gotta like come up this little road here. There's a little entrance right here. There you go. Yeah. That's the power of those trucks. So this is basically like a derby, like figure eight oval thing. So we can try to hit each other and do like races and stuff. Come here, boy. Oh man, that's a wall. Dude. I think it's gonna be almost impossible for me to hit you. Because we're going at the same speed. Our trucks are the same, pretty much. Oh, I'm jumping. I'm flying. Oh, I just clipped you. Did I? I don't know if I did or not. I thought I did. Yo, we should get the infection thing for this game. I don't know how you do it, but there's other YouTubers that do it.
I don't know.
That'd be cool to get that, whatever it is. Hold up. I gotta turn my volume down a little bit. Okay. Come here, boy. Wow, I love hitting walls. Okay, time to switch cars. I'm gonna get my bolide. Okay. I have
Got you.
two different versions. I have a regular, like, kind of not really off-road car. Oh, it's so loud. Okay, I need the off-road version. It's so much better. Or I could just use my hopper. I'll use the sheriff. And just so you guys know, the names for the cars that I make aren't real names. They're just me slamming my keyboard. Like, I literally just, like, tap my keyboard, and whatever letters and numbers go in, that's what I name it. Okay. Well, that was nice. Come here, boy. Come here, dude. Come here! Oh! How came from off the top rope? Oh, look at that drift. Yeah. Come on. I'm just gonna hop over this little thing here, if I can. I might get stuck. Nope. I hit the wall on the other side, though. Oh, you're coming in hot. I probably just need to stay right. Oh, never mind. Oh my, how is your car still running? I almost tore off your whole back end. Oh, right. Oh my gosh. That was so close. I want to see what happens when I hit you full speed in this little car. Whoa. I don't know. Should I call this a truck? It kind of is a truck.
A Jeep.
Well, Jeep, truck, same thing. I think. I don't know.
Truck? There's no bed on it.
Well, if you take off the thing, it's technically a bed in the back seat. Oh, I'm drifting. I'm drifting. Come on, hit me, boy. Oh, dude. Did you slam off the wall? And I tipped. Nice. No, don't hit. Oh. Hey, I'm fixed. Oh, it's so loud now. You broke my my exhaust
Nice.
and the tire. I'm falling. What? 100 of my tires in my hood.
I hope even more.
That won't help. Oh. Okay.
Not
Well,
even tires.
come here. No. Bruh. That would have been such a good hit. That would have been such a good hit. Wow, this thing has so much, oh! Almost.
Yeah, this.
I just had to go right in front of you. That's the only thing I was able to think of. Go, 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 go. Boom! Oh my god, you shredded my car. Come here. Oh gosh. I'm tumbling. Alright. Oh!
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Yo, you just clipped my back. Like, what the heck? Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Alright. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and we'll see you guys next time.